Why is the display of this phone so dark? So even if I slide down and move that thing to the right, it's not bright enough. Okay, so why is that? That's a Samsung S20 Plus 5G. That is because another function is activated. If I swipe down even more on the second page, so swipe to the left, I have this extra dim. So that extra dim is making the screen dimmer, that is darker. And if I disable that one, suddenly the display is much brighter. So extra dim is doing the problem. And to access that, come here, let's start from the beginning. Swipe down from the top and go here to the wheel in the upper right corner. So wheel, that's the settings. Now go down to the bottom to this accessibility. It has a green icon, a green man. So tap on accessibility. Now here visibility enhancements. It has a magnifying glass with a plus sign on it. So tap on visibility enhancements, and then on the bottom here we have extra dim, and it's enabled. So uncheck that extra dim and the screen turns much brighter. So now you can make it darker and you can make it brighter. With the extra dim, which is here in this case, it's much darker. Extra dim off, extra dim on. So make sure that extra dim function is not enabled, because it will severely reduce the visibility outside in bright sunlight. Two phones at maximum brightness. That's a Samsung S20, that's a Honor X6. Both of them are at the maximum brightness. I'm trying to lower it, it's not letting me. And this is lower and higher. Can you see something?